see us? No, but it could smell us. That's why it came here.
God, yeah, that's some of find food somewhere else.
At this point, we're the only food left. So what do?
I say we go around.
Oh God, it's going right for the chopper. It probably smells human scent there.
If it is much as nicks one of those blades we cooked.
I'm telling you guys, we should go around. It won't see us.
What the hell do you think it's gonna do when I fire up the engine? Run away?
Maybe if we just wait long enough, it'll leave.
Yeah, what if it doesn't?
We gotta figure out some way to distract it.
How the hell are we gonna do that?
I wish I knew.
What now? Did it pick up our scent? I can't be sure, but it senses something. Probably pretty close. We may just have to wait a long time. We don't have a long time. Hey, you saw what happened to the boat? I'm surprised they haven't started bombing us already. Jerry, you guys chase this thing.
Hey! Over here! Come get me, you worthless reptile! Hey, over here! Come get me! Come here! Come here, that's it!
Stupid fool! Wait here! Wait here!
Jerry! Jerry, go back! Get to the chopper now!
Not turning over.
You're gassing it?
Gauge is 3/4 full. Wait a minute.
What are you doing?
All right, lady, last chance. Cross your fingers.
Come on.
Got it? All good. All good. All right, ladies, hang on. We're taking off.